because that one spoonful of yogurt has the power to convert the entire bowl of milk into dahi. It cannot do that if it gives in. It cannot do that if he forgets who he or she is. It cannot do that if it starts fitting in. Welcome to the Absolutely Right podcast. I'm your host Aditi Surana. I'm a behavioral analyst, a high performance coach, and an anti-anxiety expert. Today we are starting a small 10-part series where I will be talking about different anecdotes that I have learned from people, I have learned while working with people, and anecdotes that have stayed with me. Not only personally, but professionally, when I shared it with other people, they could implement. And it so happens, so many times I meet people after 5 years, 10 years after having worked with them, and they tell me, oh, I still remember how you gave me that example about a honeybee. I say, oh, really? You don't remember everything else that I spoke about? Only remember the honeybee? But they're like, yeah, actually, that's what I remember. Now, that is the power of small anecdotes and stories, and that's why this series becomes really, really interesting for me. I'm going to talk about these small examples that we can use by changing our perspectives to understand our situation and probably to have a penny drop moment, if at all. Let's get started. Be like dahi, my friend. I know, you may be thinking, oh, aren't you supposed to say be like water, my friend? That's what Bruce Lee said. I know, that's what Bruce Lee said, but I'm getting this little twisted and I'm talking about the dahi process. If you're non-Indian, dahi means yogurt. If you have to set yogurt at home, there is a process. Not everybody can get it right, but there are some Indian chefs, there are some Indian mothers who are phenomenal with it. I took some time to learn that perfect recipe. I must tell you, to get your yogurt right, especially when you're setting it at home, you got to get the temperature right, the vessel right, make sure that you keep it for exactly the required period of time. So there are multiple parameters. But the idea of being like dahi was even more powerful. Because imagine the entire bowl of milk can be converted into yogurt just by one spoonful of yogurt. You don't require a lot of it. Rather, if you put a lot of it, sometimes it gets spoiled. You just require a spoonful of yogurt to turn the entire milk into dahi. Turn the entire milk into yogurt. What am I talking about? Sometimes as leaders, when we are working with teams, when we are surrounded by relatives who do not like us, who do not agree with us, and in that moment, you become a minority. You become like that one little teaspoon of dahi. You absolutely start doubting yourself. Is it really worth the efforts? Will I sustain this kind of resistance that people are throwing my way? I'm being judged and people are not liking what I do. Is it really important for me to fight this battle? The question there that you must ask yourself, can I be like dahi here? Can I be like yogurt here? Because that one spoonful of yogurt has the power to convert the entire bowl of milk into dahi. It cannot do that if it gives in. It cannot do that if he forgets who he or she is. It cannot do that if it starts fitting in. So next time that you want to change yourself and alter the deepest part of who you are only because other people don't like it, remember that other people won't get to see who you are, won't get to like who you are if you don't own those parts. And that's an essential part. The day you decide to respect who you are, other people may join that team. They may join the fan club. But if you don't, if you give in, you become weaker in your knees, then other people will never get to see the real side of you, and then there is no transformation, there is no validation, and there is no happiness, because you rarely come across a person who has given up being themselves and are still happy. Think about it. I'm reminded of Carl Jung's quote where he says, the privilege of lifetime is for you to get to be yourself completely, and rarely do people get to do that. So think about it. I'm going to leave you with that little thought. And if you implement it somewhere and you find yourself literally being like dahi, please write to me. My email ID is write, @aditisurana.com. If you want to share an experience, you can DM me on my Instagram. I would love to hear from you. Tell me how you like this conversation. We would love to build more anecdotes, more stories, something that can cause real transformation. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you on Wednesday with one more episode of the Absolutely Right podcast. Till then, happy writing.